In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profitable website that pays you starting today. So you definitely want to stick to the end because I'm going to be packing the goods and showing you exactly what the gurus and the marketers are not telling you. So stick around. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. My name is Nate, and if you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll get notified immediately. Okay, so when it comes to building an affiliate marketing website, some of the suggestions and the advice that I'm going to be giving you today is something that most of the gurus and the marketers do not want you to know. When you're starting off, okay, you definitely want to stand out from the crowd, and most people, when they hear this, they don't exactly know what it means, because the thing is, when we're promoting products and services and offers, it's hard to stand out from the crowd because so many other people are promoting the same exact thing. So what do you do to stand out? There's going to be three factors that I'm going to share with you that's going to help you increase traffic and conversions and also stand out from the crowd. So the first thing you want to do is to create a website using either WordPress or ClickFunnels, okay? Now, I know this is self-explanatory, but let me explain. Okay, and this is going to be a website that brands you, okay? This is not going to be a generic website. This is not going to be a website promoting the product, service, or offer. This is going to be promoting you. You're going to promote yourself on the front end, and then the offer is going to be on the back end. Because the way it works is that you want to create a know, like, and trust factor with your prospect. Why? Because there's so many other people doing the exact same thing that you are. You want to stand out from the crowd. You want to be unique. You want to be someone like yourself, and don't try to be like the other people in this space, okay? Be yourself. Be authentic. Don't worry about what people think about you. Just be you. So when you're creating your website, you want to use either WordPress or ClickFunnels. And in order to do that, create a website. You can go to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com to find a designer. And ClickFunnels is a great option because they have a lot of templates that are already created and branded just for you. The number two thing I want you to do is to create a YouTube channel, okay? You definitely want to get uncomfortable, get out of that bubble, make yourself stand out from the crowd, because it allows you to brand yourself and to showcase your personality and to show people you're a real person, okay? Now, again, the theme here is to create the know, like, and trust factor, because a lot of people see the same exact product, services, and offers out there. What makes these people different, right? They're all doing the same thing. They're hiding behind the product and just pushing everything out. So that's why it's important that you want to brand yourself, to create a YouTube channel, to showcase your personality, to show why you are offering your product, service, or offers, okay? Let me give you a bonus tip. Now, when you create your website and when you create your YouTube channel, you definitely want to mirror them together, okay? And here's what I mean by that. You definitely want to take everything that you create on your YouTube channel, get that embed code, and put that on your website. And then that way you're double dipping on the traffic. And then number three is to create some social media outlets, okay? The main ones out there are Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. There's so many of them. I would suggest that you start with one, no more than two, okay? The more popular one is Facebook, obviously. The one thing that you want to keep in mind, if you're going after a particular niche, if you are looking to promote health and wellness, most of your prospects on Facebook, or are they on Instagram? Or focus on where your prospects are hanging out at. That way you can be more targeted and more dialed in terms of delivering your message to that right prospect. So hope this video helped you out. Be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know where you're at in your journey. Let me know if you have started your process in terms of an online business. Definitely want to hear from you. So go ahead and leave a comment below this video. And if you really enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you like this video and also share it on your social media outlets. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified immediately. If you're looking to get into an online business, let me go ahead and recommend my #1 program that I use to help clients who are brand new, who are looking to escape the 9-to-5, who are looking for a side income to build something for their family and their legacy. Go ahead and click on that link below this video. I'll leave that for you. You can check that out. But I appreciate you for sticking around. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.